Hey there, it's Sage, the Prosperous Goddess, and I am just so excited because we just finished doing all the filming for our new program. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. This is your Corona Times Health and Wealth Energy Repair RX. Now, we all know we're living through times of great change, chaos, uncertainty, and you may have been getting impacted by health concerns or actual direct health challenges for you, for your loved ones. You want to be safe. You want to stay positive. You may have been getting impacted by financial changes, or you're worried about the financial future for yourself. You may have lost money in the stock market. All kinds of things are going on, especially with regard to health and wealth right now. And especially if you are empathic and you have a tendency to pick up on other people's energies. So this is for you. This is the course for you. This is the one that you need right here and right now, because this is going to show you exactly how to heal your foundation, your first chakra, how to master that flow of energy, how to have stronger boundaries, and really be able to go from fear to faith and stay in a vibration of gratitude, abundance, vital health, and really continue to enjoy your life and find the gifts in this time, despite the craziness, despite the negativity of other people and a lot of people in freak out mode. It doesn't have to be you. It doesn't have to be me. It's certainly not me. And my hope is that it's not going to be you anymore either. So check this out. Go to the link that you see right here. You can type that in. You can go to the link in the description and feel into this, because now is the time. This is a time of rebirth and transformation. And you can either go through this period kind of semi-conscious and semi-stressed and just like, or you can realize that this is actually a portal for you, and it's a portal for all of us. And this course is going to help you so much. I can't wait for you to check this out and be part of it if it calls to you. With so much love, blessings, blessings, blessings to you and your loved ones. And I'll see you inside.